Yeah, I forgot to record 4th period, so there you go. Alright, check your homework. Your homework was called Triangle Congruencies II. Sorry, you said that.
I just saw it.
Yeah, we're talking.
Oh, never mind.
Thank you.
Hey, who's this class couple? Look like I'm gonna roll.
Very nice. Yes, you got one you want me to work? Which one?
No, I just want to ask a question.
Yes.
Number 10, it says D.
Why not read?
What?
Mine says G.
Mine too. Yes, it's G. It says A, B, C, G.
Okay.
G also.
So the D should be a G?
Yeah.
Okay. GBC. What number was that? Wait. A, G, C? AGC?
Oh, you spelled cow and pig on the back.
Yes.
Oh,
Number 15, it says CDA. I mean, it says DCB, but that's an angle, not a triangle.
Well, if you put the triangle symbol in front of it, it's a triangle.
how you feel?
DCB. No, you're right. That's wrong. DCB is wrong. I don't know why these answers are wrong. A, B, C,
How you
But you
feel?
got a
master's You
C, D, A.
how you feel? Could you do number 13?
13.
It's like that. Look like an NC.
Which one? 12, 13.
9.
What?
14.
So I'm reminding you that in a right triangle, we call the side across from the right angle, we call it a
Cow.
hypotenuse. And the other two sides are called legs. Very good. So the side across from the right angle, that's how you locate the hypotenuse, and the other sides are called legs. Only if you forgot it. So we've got one more postulate. It does work. It goes into our column of things that work, but it only works for right triangles, right? Okay. So there's like a VIP dinner or something, and you can only get in if your name's on the list. Anyone else can't get in. So this is like VIP. Only right triangles are allowed to use this one. No other triangles are allowed to use this one. This is for right triangles only. Very important person, VIP. Very important triangle, VIT.
That's what it stands for?
VIP stands for very important person. Yes. Now you know. How come you don't need them in all your other classes? Just mine. Okay. Hypotenuse leg. You don't have to write all these words, but I would write the title and I would draw a picture. This is an example of two triangles that are congruent. And they're congruent by hypotenuse leg. Now yesterday, what would we have said if I threw those triangles at you yesterday? You would have said NP. Because that is angle, side, side. Angle, side, side. That's the bad word one. So yesterday you would have said NP. But today I'm telling you that angle, side, side is still not possible except unless you are a right triangle. And then it is possible. And it has to do with the ratio of the sides of the Pythagorean theorem, and that's why it works for right triangles and not for others.
We are going to use the donkey postulate.
Except we're not going to call it ASS, we're going to call it HL. Because it only works for right triangles, hypotenuse leg.
Why can't we call it ASS?
Because it's not. So, to be congruent by hypotenuse leg, you have to have three things. So I would write this down. 3 boxes to check. You've got to have a right angle. You've got to have a tick mark on the hypotenuse. And you've got to have a tick mark on the leg. So let's check our picture. Do both pictures have a right angle? Check. Do both pictures have tick marks on their hypotenuses?
Check.
It's the side across from the right angle.
It's the longest one.
And do both triangles have a tick mark on one of their legs? If you can check off all 3 things, then they are guilty of being congruent by hypotenuse leg, HL.
So that's HL.
That is HL.
You would mark that.
You would say triangle ABC is congruent to triangle XYZ by HL. Okay, let's work some examples. This is in your notes, and then we'll do whiteboards in a minute. So this is in your notes.
What's in our notes?
These examples, if you want. So now you've got 5 postulates to choose from. Side, 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 angle, 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 side, and HL.
It seems like you've been teaching.
Yeah.
This is.
What do you think, guys? HL, NP?
Yeah.
So to be HL, remember you've got to have those 3 things. Let's check. These are training wheels. You can take your training wheels off later, but for now, let's use our training wheels and make sure we have all 3 things. Do both triangles have a 90-degree angle?
Yes.
Check. Do both triangles have tick marks on their hypotenuses?
Yes. No. Oh, no.
Oh, I see. Exactly.
This one does. Check.
That one.
This one does not. So it is not HL. Is it anything else?
No.
They don't match. Those triangles don't match. We're trying to prove that they match, and they don't match. So we write NP in both blanks. Not one blank, both blanks.
So this unit is not involved in number. Just letters.
No, it did on the first day. It did. Remember, I was making you set angle A is listed first and angle L is listed first. So you set them equal, and that involves numbers. Involved. Triangle ABC is congruent to blank by blank. So you can write this in your notes if you want to have this example there.
Oh, it is. Oh, we choose which one.
What can I add to my picture? You can only add things if you're allowed to add them. What can we add, Chase? Tick marks. And a box.
What?
Those are the things that we're totally allowed to add. Nothing else. You can't add anything else. Well, you can, but we can, but we're not going to. Okay, so what do you think? Congruent?
Awesome.
Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle
Awesome.
ABD by angle, side, angle, or this one actually has 2 correct answers. Nope.
It's also
HL.
Nope.
It's also spelled backwards.
Austin's go backwards.
Those are the two correct answers. I would accept either of those on a quiz. Why? Because right
I
here,
like your
we've got angle, oh, that's not working. We've got angle, side, angle, but we've also got some extra information. We've got more angles. So you could go this way, angle, angle, side, or angle, angle, side. You've got all three angles. So any of the ones that involve two letter A's, you could pick either one of those. They're both correct. Would you have to write both of them? No. Just write one. Either one of those and you get it right.
Oh yeah, add another box to the other side.
Okay.
And then tick ticks.
Tick ticks.
Ooh, so it's a
They're
side
tic tacs.
angle side. It's
It's an hypotenuse.
a
You're doing everything but this.
it's a
It's a HL.
So here's a hint. When you start looking at it and it's spelling the bad word, you put NP. Unless it's a
Right triangle.
right triangle, and then you're like, oh yeah, he's the exception to that rule. And then you check your three things. Do both triangles have a box?
Yeah.
Do both triangles have a tick mark on the hypotenuse? Do both triangles have a tick mark on the leg?
Yeah.
So they're guilty of being congruent by
HL.
HL.
What about
Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle.
what about
ABD.
side angle side?
It doesn't matter which leg it's on, as long as it's on one.
Correct.
What if there's a check mark on both legs? What's good?
Well, then it would probably be side angle side. Because you've got that right angle, and then you've got this side and this side, so it's side angle side, not HL.
Could that one be side angle side?
Nope, we don't have a tick mark here. Empty, empty.
Ooh.
This one's angle side side. It's the bad word.
Empty.
But he's an exception to the rule, so we don't call it ASS, we call it HL. Hypotenuse leg.
But yeah, ASS is not a bad word.
We talked about that
That's
yesterday.
why we get in trouble.
Well, okay. Anyways.
I gotta lose the buck. Don't care. Miss Ann, ASS not a bad word.
I guess it's relative. To me it is, to you it's not. Solve this problem.
Tick ticks. Oh, got him.
Chase loves saying that. Shared side.
Tick ticks. Yeah. It is HB.
Yeah, it's
HB isn't any of them.
Oh,
it's HL.
No.
It's the donkey
Do
price.
both triangles have a box?
Yeah.
Do both triangles have tick marks on their hypotenuses?
Yes.
Do both triangles have tick marks on their legs?
Yes.
HL. Hypotenuse, leg. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. Triangle CDA. Most important slide of the day, right here.
Oh, got him. Tick ticks. Oh, we can't. Oh, yeah, we can't.
So,
Number 5 can't.
this one says, what additional information do you need to prove the triangle's guilty by the HL theorem? What
You need to put
additional
a box
information?
on the M angle.
Tick marks on the
Yeah, you need a box on the M angle.
So, how would I want you to write that on a quiz? Would I want you to write, you need a box on the M angle? How would we write this in correct math language?
Angle M equals 90.
Almost so close. The measure of angle M equals 90. Tell me another way you could say that.
GMO.
Ooh, very good, Crystal. The angle E is congruent to angle M. If you force them to be congruent, won't that make angle M 90? That's good. Angle E is congruent to angle M. There's one more thing we could say. Think of something different.
All of them are right.
OMG.
Come on.
OMGE.
Ron, I'm kind of counting on you to say this one.
OMG.
There's one more way I could say the additional information needed, besides the two I've listed.
OMG.
The other two angles are 90.
Okay, I've had enough.
I'll let you think about it. Let's go to number 6.
No.
I'm going to tell you, but I want to see if someone can get it. Number 6. What additional information do you need to prove it congruent by HL? Yeah, but you can't write, I need tick marks on blank. You need to write it in math language. What do you think, Sydney?
Side ace, side.
Oh, I got you.
You
I got you
probably
right,
had it,
too.
yes.
I got you right too.
Measure of AC is congruent to measure of DF.
Okay, we don't have to put measure for sides, but yeah, we would put segment AC needs to be congruent to segment DF. That's it. That's the answer. Yeah?
For number 5, segment MO equals segment EG.
Oh, you're close.
Okay, I got it. Segment MG is congruent to segment EO.
But they're already.
Ooh, segment MO is congruent to segment G.
Stop saying congruent.
Segment
equals.
MO equals segment
Parallel.
G.
Equals.
Parallel. Segment GM is parallel to EO. Segment GO is transversal to segment.
Corresponding.
No one in here?
Like triangle.
What does it start with? What letter does it start with?
No. What?
That's for hangman.
What does it start with?
You were so close and you just chose the totally wrong word.
Perpendicular?
Yes, it's not hard. You could say segment GM needs to be perpendicular to segment MO.
You could have said P.
That would give us a right angle. Perpendicular, right angle. Come on. Oh, man.
Come on, man. Come on.
Okay, let's practice. Let's do some whiteboard practice. I want to know what you know. I want to know what you know. So you're going to hold up your whiteboard, and that's going to tell me who knows what they're doing and who doesn't. Okay.
What's the first word of the song? Richie. That's going on.
No, I don't like that. That means you weren't doing that.
Dog. What's the question?
It's something important.
Is that Nancy's hair? No, let me tell Sean.
Oh, you put the arcs in the wrong spot. There you go. There you go right here.
Did you see the video, Shay?
You started already?
Yeah, you're starting, but
Nancy spit
you
on
go right here. You put the arcs in the wrong spot.
Light skin Megan. Light skin Megan. Oh, Nancy. Nancy spit on. She was like this. She said, she was like.
These are the alternate.
I don't know. That's why I was spitting. It was about to fight. No, it looks like Megan was like.
Okay, sorry, I'm ready. Sorry, I'm ready. Who's got it? Yes. Yes. No. 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 2 people have gotten it? No. No. No.
It says right in.
Oh, I'm a horrible teacher. Yes. Yes. Yes.
It says don't tell yourself that.
Yes. Yes. No.
Hold on, I got it.
No. No. Yes. Yes. No.
What?
Yes. No. Yes. You spelled it backwards. No.
What?
Yes.
Oh, my bad.
Yes. Yes.
I feel dumb.
Yes. 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 You spelled it backwards. Yes.
Hey, he said.
Got it. Got it.
No. Look what you just wrote on your board.
Oh, crap.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
What did you write?
Yes. No, Coon. Yes. Yes. Yes.
I
Yes.
swear I didn't know.
Yes,
Miss
yes,
Cindy,
yes,
Oh my
yes.
goodness.
All right, Lee. What can I have in my picture? Hey guys. Lee, what can I have in my picture? Oh, okay. I can add a box. What else? Tick mark. Okay. Don't do anything else. Don't go any further. Don't add anything else to your picture. That is enough. You're done. Once you mark the shared side, you're done. It is angle, angle, side. Why is it not? Why is it not angle, side, angle?
Because the sides are between the angles.
Between. It's all about between. Do you see tick marks between those 2 angles? Empty. Nothing. Nada. So if there's no side between the tick marks, then don't put S between the A's. It's angle, angle, side.
I didn't mean to put that.
I know, I'm not mad at you.
So side.
Bottom to top or top to
Angle,
bottom?
angle.
Neither.
Neither?
It goes, is the tick mark between or not between? It's a yes or no question. It's either between or it's not between.
So wait, when you put down side angle,
Then that's like answering a yes or no question and putting that.
L-O-L.
It doesn't count. You spelled it wrong. You gotta learn the spelling, okay? Pretend like you're in English and you're learning your spelling list. Okay. Well, I doubt you do, I know.
Wedgie.
I mean, why would you when you have Google and you can dictionary.com? Why would you ever learn how to spell anything?
and autocorrect.
Autocorrect, exactly. That you sometimes corrects you incorrectly.
You just talked about this. Parallel.
Sorry, I'm thinking. Yes, that'll work.
There we go. Why? Yeah. Alright.
Yep, very good.
Wow.
No, yes, yes. No, yes. Yes. Yep, yep, yep. No, yes, yes. No.
Man, I don't like these. These are my worst ones.
The parallel ones are your worst ones? What's your answer? No. Hey guys, when you've got parallel lines, you're usually going to add some arcs to your picture. Let's add some arcs. Alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. There's another one. Alternate interior angles. And we've also got vertical angles, technically. So you can add those as well. These two lines are parallel and congruent at the same time. That's possible. They're parallel and congruent. So there are two correct answers to this problem. The correct answers are
Angle, side, angle.
angle, side, angle will work. And angle, angle, side will work. The answers that won't work are answers that involve two letter S's. Because we don't have two sides that are congruent.
No, we don't have them.
And also NP would not work because they are congruent. Not that one. Not that one. Let's do that one. Because I think y'all need work with parallel lines.
It's just confusing.
I know you seem good there too.
No. No. Very good, Jack. Very good. Very good. Try again. Try again. Try again. Very good. Try again.
Yes.
Very good. Very good. Try again. That's not one of them.
I don't know how I got it.
That's not very good then. Try again. Very good. Try again. Very good. You spelled it backwards. Try again. Good. Good. You got it? You got it? Yep. Yes. Okay, I need everyone's 110% attention. No, because every year students really struggle with this. Can I show you what they struggle with? Are you watching? Okay, so first thing you do is you extend the lines and you can extend the transversal. Okay. Now, there's this pair of alternate interior angles. I'm going to double arc it because we've already used single arc. And there's this pair. The green and the purple. Which one is of no use to us at all? The green one. And you're going to mark those angles. You're going to mark this angle and this angle congruent. But those angles are not the alternate interior angles. It's the purple. The purple are the alternate interior angles. There's not two pairs here. There's one pair. So if those are congruent, then these are guilty of being congruent by, here's a side, here's an angle, and a side. Is the side between the angles or not? It is not between. The side is not between the angles. So the answer is angle, angle, side. That is the only answer to this problem. Ask me a question right now. What doesn't make sense? Angle, angle, side. Angle, angle, side. The side is not between the angles. This one's so easy. On the count of 3, yell it out. 1, 2, 3. Side, side, side.
Side. You didn't go. Side.
This means that this side is congruent to this side. They didn't put tick marks on them because there were so many lines going through that it was confusing. So those sides are congruent. That's what that means. Very good. Try again. Try again. Try again. Try again. Try again. Try again. Very good. Very good. You might want to draw these triangles separately. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Try again. Try again.
Oh, no, I got it. This is right.
Yes, 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 yes. Yes. This has never happened before. These have a shared angle. We've never had triangles that have a shared angle. We've had shared sides plenty of times. Look, this triangle and the other triangle are sharing that angle. So when I pulled them out and I separated them, it's angle, side, angle. Angle, side, angle. This angle is being shared by both triangles. An angle is congruent to itself. So this is where you get angle, side, angle. That was the answer. Okay, we're going to stop here and I'm going to give you time to work on your homework.